Production is critical. Premature wear in transfer points can consume valuable production time. Australian Mining Product and Services offers a wear material that improves throughput, is safer to install, whose material and thickness selection will improve impact wear and abrasion and complement is measurable against operational parameters. Wear composites carefully selected can meet these specifications and are delivered ready to install, increasing safety and a reduction of safety operating procedures. Ceramics from Australian Mining Services, made in materials of varying thickness and sizes with fixing arrangements to complement the application, increasing safety and reliability. Composites wear materials engineered to improve uptime and eliminate unscheduled maintenance. Composites exploit the properties of various materials to increase productivity by increasing throughput, returning the plant to operational status quickly and safely. Composites use various wear materials bonded to substrates, providing unparalleled resistance to all forms of wear and abrasion. With various fixing arrangements and material specifications available, ceramics are in various materials: alumina, ZTA, reaction-bonded silicon carbide, that area customized to suit a specific application at a mine, quarry, or port. Whether you're an end user in the mining, quarrying, or port industry, or you are an engineer specifying ceramics for your clients, Australian Mining Services has you covered. Ceramics isn't just a product, it has many options to suit individual applications. Experience the difference today. Contact us now to discover the full potential of ceramics. Australian Mining Services, where innovation meets reliability.